In this video, I am going to show you how to combine the first name and last name using formulas and functions. Let's look at formulas. Let's go to cell and type in the formula equal to click on cell and double quote, space, double quote and cell. Press enter, go to the corner and plus sign. Just double click, copy the formula over. Now let's look at the function. So just here this and again go to the cell, type in the formula equal to concatenate of the text. One is cell, again comma, double quote, space, double quote, comma and set and cell. This, hit enter, go to the corner and plus sign, just double click, copy the formula over. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.